Lovely people, welcome to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Tsungie, right? So if you're regular, thank you so much for coming back. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make this 3-leaf or 3 cowrie necklace. It's so easy. It literally takes like 5 minutes and you're done. Alright, so what actually happened is that I'm a little bit busy these days, but I really wanted to make a craft. So I just took some felt thread and 3 cowries, then I noted it, then I liked how it looked, so I was like, let me show you how I made it. Okay, so what you need is that you need felt thread like this, and you need 1 meter of this. You need 1 bead, 1 8mm bead. This is a wooden bead, 3 cowries, and just a scissors to just cut your ends. Alright, so let's just get right into the video. I'm going to do this necklace in 6 steps. So the first step is just to put your cowries on your thread. So you're putting it from the back like this, then you just pull it. Then you're going to put all of the 3 from the back like this. Okay, now that you have your cowries on your thread, what we're going to do, we're going to put our thread sort of like in the middle. Just going to put our cowrie sort of at the middle. Then we're going to do our first knot. So this is the second step. And to do this knot, we're going to take our yarn from the right, put our finger like this, go around, like this, and you're going to so I've just created this loop here. Just going to go around and come out in here. Okay, so like this, come out in there, and we're going to pull everything. Okay, like this. Then you pull everything and it will look like this. So that is our first knot. Just going to put the yarn that we just rubbed with on our right. Okay, so we're going to take down the second cowrie. Sorry, you kind of have to make sure that they're facing the correct side. Okay, so we've taken down the second cowrie close to our thing. So now what we're going to do, we're going to use the yarn from the left. We're going to leave this one from the right a little. Okay, so I'm just going to hold here, and you're going to go down with it, come up. So you're just creating a circle, go down, come up, and I want you to go through the circle here, through that circle and out that way. Okay, now we're going to pull everything together. Just pull everything together tight. Okay, so that is our second knot, putting our second cowrie there. Right, now we're going to pull our cowrie, the third cowrie, down close to the others. Okay, I'm just going to hold on to the cowrie like this. We're using the yarn from the left. We're going to go down, and you're going to come up and you're going to go through that circle. Come up and you go through that circle like that, and you're just going to tighten everything like this. So that is how you put the third cowrie. Okay, so after we do that, now we kind of want our strings to be coming from the same spot. Okay, so I'm going to take the yarn in the left, just going to flip this thing. Okay, this is the back. So this yarn at the left here, we want it to go under this loop here, this small loop here. So it's a little tight, but just try to lift it, and you're going to put it under that loop, So I'm going to use my scissors to get it through. Then I'll just meet you when I have managed to put it through. Okay, so I ended up actually using my crochet. I'm just going to pull it. Okay, now it's kind of like coming from the same spot. Okay, so if we flip it, it will look like this. We can tighten everything up, tighten it so that it's even more slick. Okay, like this. And that is how we make our 3-leaf cowrie, just like that. Okay, so now we're going to put our bead. Okay, so we're going to put our our cowrie strings in this through this bead here. So we're just gonna put both of them in. I'm just gonna put the other one and I'll come back. Okay, so I've just put my bead in and I'm just gonna make a knot at both ends. Simple knot at both ends, like this. Okay, so after the knots, you just cut it and your necklace is done. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you like what I do, please do subscribe and turn on your notification bell. All right, thank you so much. See you in my next video. Okay, bye bye.